Hello, this is Seaton from Wild Rose Motors. We had a customer bring in his Expedition with timing chain tensioner noise. So we're going to let you hear what it sounds like when it has bad hydraulic tensioners, and then we will put a timing chain kit in it with our new high performance tensioners, and then let you hear what it sounds like once it's been repaired. These are a great vehicle. A lot of people are spending money on repairing them because they can't replace the vehicle at a reasonable cost, and they're a super strong, dependable vehicle. He uses this one for towing. Okay, so you heard that rattle there when it first started up. That's because the timing chain tensioners bleed down because the O-rings go bad in them. We'll let you hear what it sounds like once it's been repaired. WildRose911.com. Happy to help you out. Contact us. We specialize in Fords and Chevys and police units. Thank you. Have a nice day.